Okay, this is going to be a one-take little video about this because I have found nothing on them online. So these are the Hickey Enterprise folding steps that are so rare. Everyone loves them. They're pretty hard to get a hold of. These are the ones that I put on my truck just a little bit ago. You will be drilling holes in your truck, so if you take them off afterwards, you will have holes in your rockers. So these are the ones I got. The springs are a little weak in them. I got to figure something out. They're brand new springs, but I think maybe they're made wrong because they should be held up like that. So I got to figure that out. But the driver's side one folds down like that. Should come up there. I got to figure that out still. I think I'll probably make a little 3D printed block or something. And here's the passenger side. Same situation. I tried to change the spring on the side, but I'm gonna have to end up doing something to make them perfect. So you look at that and you think it doesn't. When I looked at that, I didn't think it mounted to the rocker very strong because it had 3 bolts across there and it had a bracket on the back, and it basically put all the weight on the rocker and used the back one to keep it from pivoting down. So I completely changed that because when I got these, I didn't get the brackets with them. So I made my own custom brackets, and what the point of those are, instead of just putting all the weight on the rocker and keeping the brackets keeping it from swiveling, I tried to make the brackets take as much force as they could, just because my rockers they look nice, but they're aftermarket, so they're thinner sheet metal and they're probably not welded as well as they should be. But yeah, these are the Hickey Enterprise steps. Fold up and down like that. This part is cast aluminum. This part is just C-channel steel. I'll probably put some measurements on the end actually. And so maybe if you wanted to replicate one of these, you could. They were being reproduced by a guy, but he has passed, so unfortunately we will not be seeing any more. He was only doing the Blazer version, which has a flat top on it, and the pickup truck version has a step for the rocker. I believe the Blazer version, I'm not quite sure how the Blazer floor works, but I believe the Blazer floor goes just straight across, and so they're able to just bolt straight up. Don't quote me on that though. There were multiple versions of this that I know of. There was a square body and there was a Ram Charger, and there might have been a Bronco that came with a different version of it from the factory. They say, like, I think they just say step on them, and I think they're steel. I'm not sure. They're the same design, but instead of the cast aluminum, they're just steel. And they came stock on, I forget what the addition was. It's whatever the height, it had some stripy paint job on it, who knows. But yeah, these are just the aftermarket ones. These are a set of original ones from who knows when, but yeah, you can find these things for $400 or $500 if you're lucky. That's what I got mine for. I've seen a lot of them sell for $600-700. The new ones were $800. So yeah, you can see the pits in them. I don't think I'll ever clean them up. They're just I'm gonna use them as steps. I have no intention of having these be on there for beauty. I'm using them. That's why I built the brackets so strong. But yeah, those are the Hickey Enterprise steps. Just one more accessory of the hard to find parts. Yep.